If we take a moment to look at the world around us, what do we see? We see people, places, things, feelings, thoughts, and sensations. But what if we were to ask ourselves, is this really how the world is? And here's the twist. What if we found out that there is more to reality than meets the eye? This may sound like the start of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually a concept that has been pondered by philosophers and spiritual thinkers for centuries. In this video, we're going to explore the idea that we can wake up to a deeper understanding of reality. By seeing beyond separation, we will delve into practical ways to shift our perspective and experience a greater sense of unity with everything around us. So let us embark on this journey of discovery together and see how we can change our lives by changing the way we see the world. Step 1. The observer. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and for the next 5 minutes, simply watch your thoughts pass by. Don't engage with them, don't try to understand them. Just let them flow like clouds across the sky. Your thoughts might be about anything: work, family, the future, or the past. It doesn't matter. Simply observe them without judgment. You might find that some thoughts bring up emotions like anger, sadness, or anxiety. That's okay. Just notice those feelings without getting carried away by them. After 5 minutes, take a moment to notice how you feel. You might feel a sense of calm and clarity. This exercise is a simple, yet powerful way to cultivate mindfulness. By learning to observe our thoughts without judgment, we can start to see the gap between ourselves and our thoughts. This can lead to a deeper sense of inner peace and help us make better decisions in our daily lives. Step 2. Sensory focus. Choose an object to focus on, such as a flower, a tree, or a piece of fruit. Spend a few moments observing the object using only your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? Try not to give the object a name or label it in any way. For example, instead of saying red, try to experience the raw sensory data of the color. You might also notice sounds, smells, or textures that you didn't pay attention to before. This exercise can help you develop a deeper appreciation for the world around you and can remind you of the interconnectedness of all things. By focusing on the sensory aspects of an object, we can let go of our conceptual understanding of it and connect with it on a more immediate and authentic level. This can help us see beyond separation and recognize the oneness of all things. Step 3. Interconnectedness. Take a moment to think about where your food comes from. Consider the journey of the food from the farm to your plate, including the farmers who grew it, the trucks that transported it, the grocery store employees who stocked it, and all the people who prepared it for you to eat. You might also want to think about the entire process of making your food, from the planting of the seeds to the harvesting of the crops and the manufacturing of your food. This exercise can help you appreciate the interconnectedness of all things and the role that each person plays in the world. By reflecting on the journey of our food, we can dissolve the idea that it is a separate object on our plate and recognize the many hands that have touched it before it got there. This can foster a sense of gratitude and connectedness to all the people involved in bringing us our sustenance. Step 4. Label drop. When you encounter a situation that evokes a strong emotional response, such as when someone cuts you off in traffic or when you spill your coffee, pause for a moment and take a deep breath. Notice the label that your mind wants to put on the situation. Is it good or bad, positive or negative? Then consciously choose to drop the label and experience the situation in its raw form. Feel the physical sensations in your body, such as the racing heart or clenched fist, and acknowledge any thoughts that come to mind without judgment. This exercise can help you become more aware of the labels and judgments that you place on experiences, and can help you cultivate a more mindful and accepting attitude towards the ups and downs of life. By letting go of the need to label everything as good or bad, we can open ourselves up to a deeper understanding of the true nature of reality. Step 5. Empathy challenge. Find someone with whom you have a difference of opinion, such as a friend who supports a different political party than you. Make a conscious effort to find common ground with this person. Look for shared values, experiences, or goals, and acknowledge the humanity of this person, even if you don't agree with their views. This exercise can help you break down barriers and build empathy and understanding with those who are different from you. By recognizing the shared humanity of all people, we can begin to see beyond the labels and divisions that we often create. This can lead to greater compassion and connection with others, as well as a deeper understanding of their perspectives. Step 6. The body scan. Lie down in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Bring your awareness to your body and scan your body from head to toe, noticing any sensations that arise. Feel your body weight pressing against the surface beneath you. Notice any areas of tension or relaxation. But here's the twist. Instead of scanning your body as separate parts, such as your hand, foot, or head, try to feel your body as a single, unified sensation. This exercise can help you cultivate a deeper sense of body awareness and can help you connect with your body in a more intimate way. By letting go of the idea that our body is made up of separate parts, we can begin to experience a greater sense of unity with our physical form. This can lead to a deeper appreciation for the miracle of our bodies and the interconnectedness of all things within them. Step 7. Opposite appreciation. Make a list of things that you normally dislike or resist, such as waking up early, exercising, or spending time alone. Then for 1 week, make a conscious effort to find something to appreciate about each of these things. For example, you might appreciate the quiet and stillness of the morning when you wake up early, or you might appreciate the challenge and discipline of exercising. This exercise can help you cultivate a more positive and appreciative mindset, and can help you see the value in things that you might normally overlook or resist. By actively looking for the good in things that we normally don't appreciate, we can start to shift our perspective and see beyond separation. This can lead to a more joyful and fulfilling life, and a deeper connection to the beauty of the world around us. Step 8. The non-judgment day. For 1 full day, try to go about your daily routine without judging anything or anyone. This includes yourself, other people, and any events or situations that come your way. If you notice yourself making judgments, gently bring your attention back to the present moment and observe your thoughts and feelings without attaching to them. This exercise can help you cultivate a more accepting and compassionate attitude towards yourself and others. It can also help you see beyond the labels and categories that we often use to separate ourselves from one another. By letting go of judgment, we can open ourselves up to a deeper sense of connection and understanding with all beings. These aren't just exercises or techniques. They are doorways to a more awakened way of being in the world. By practicing these steps, you'll not only transform your perspective, but also your daily life, leading to a more peaceful and harmonious existence. Remember, it's not about escaping from reality, but about seeing it in a new light. It's about embracing the truth that we are all connected and that separation is just an illusion. Now it's time for you to step onto this path of discovery. Try these steps. Reflect on your experiences and let us know in the comments how they've impacted your life. Let's continue this conversation and support each other on this journey. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. By liking this video, you'll be showing us that this kind of content is valuable to you and it will help us reach a wider audience. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.